Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigo, and today we are back at Aburi from Phase 3, and we have a new project for you guys that I have named the basement, right? So we have Nathan, who is behind this project. Nathan is our architect here on the channel. He designed the structure and he's the one who is also going to build it. This is a basement design that has a pool behind the house, and then in the middle is the building, and then the front has a car park port at it at Graceland, Aburi attack room, Amanfro. We have the pool area, which is about 2 decks, and then the basement area is a newly excavated trench that we are upcoming to work on. So that's Nathan for you. Like I said, he is an architect. At the same time, he's very good with building. If you want to see more of some of his projects, you go to my playlist called Nathan Architect. You can see some of the houses that he has designed and built himself, right? From start to finish, right? 10 key, move in and everything. Apartment, he has done everything. So make sure you check out on Nathan, right? If you are interested to know more about his work, right? So like I said, this project will be named the basement. So this is the episode 1. If you want to follow this process, you know how far we will go. If you go to my playlist, you can follow the upcoming episodes that we will be loading. This is going to be episode 1, right? So maybe in episode 2 we will come up with the design. You see the design and everything is amazing. It will be 2 levels if you're on the ground, but then as I said, it has a basement, so it's going to be actually 3 levels, right? And the basement is full of entertainment. It is a full entertainment area. It is amazing. I really like the concept, right? To the fact where even the swimming pool, if you are down in the basement, you can still see the swimming pool and everything. So just watch out for that. And we are in Aburi from Grace City, Phase 3, right? Nathan is handling a lot of projects here, same as brother Sammy, who is our engineer, also has a lot of projects here. We also do have Pele, who is our quantity surveyor, also handling some projects here. Like I said, we will be here for a long time. So if you have a plot of land around Grace City, either phase 1, 2, or 3, we are here to stay. You can get in touch with any of the guys, right? I'll put their telephone number out there so that you get in touch with them. They go see your land, they give you cost estimates, then we can start building for you. I believe that this is the right time because the guys are around, so they can easily walk to your land, take look at the nature of the land, and then based on that they can give you an accurate estimate, right? You might have the same design but different location. Let me say 200 meters intervals land, right? But then the cost estimate will not be the same because of the nature of the land. You can see it has a gentle slope, right? So it is very necessary that we go to your land, we take measurements, and then we are able to give you an accurate estimate. And the guys are on the ground now, so this is the time to join the team so that we move together. You can see we have borehole also in there, also completed, right? So stay tuned for the basement project here at Grace City Phase 3. So after moving to Ghana, or let me say after you've finished building your dream house in a greenery like this, have you thought of investment, or have you thought of having a hideout, right, where let me say an escape, where you can just move, and it's like a change of environment where you want to change environment for the weekend, right? Or for just a few days if you want to go for a hideout by the seaside, right? So there is this opportunity, right? I would say it is it is an investment opportunity where you can own, just a 1 bedroom or a 2 bedroom or 3 bedroom at a location which is closer to the sea, right? So there's this estate, or let me say a development, which is coming in Pram Pram, which is closer to the sea. But please note, it is not a seafront, estate. It is closer. I mean, it is very close. I would say about 200 meters to the sea, actually, right? So this is a gated community which is called the Turtle Nest, which is coming here in Pram Pram. If you want to know more about it, I mean, I'm preparing the videos, but you can just get in touch with them through this email if you are looking of having a piece, of the sea, right? 1 bedrooms are available, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, depending on what you want. Please take note of this white house you see over there, and this house also you see over there. I will show you the location where this is located, right? So this is just you having a hideout, right? Not investing so heavily by a seaside project. You can use it for rentals whilst you've already built your dream house in Ghana, at the mountains. So that is the White House that we saw, and that is the other house right there, right? So this is the community I'm talking about here in Pram Pram, the township, where you have the local fishermen, right? So you can see the distance from where the land is and where the fishermen are, and you can also see the ships, right, line up all the way to the harbor, right, which tells you that you are not buying away from the city, right? You are also closer to the city. So this is an investment where, I mean, you just having 1 bedroom here, which is not going to cost you so much, right? You can put it for rentals. I mean, if you open Pram Pram, just go to Pram Pram on your Google map and zoom along all the coast side. You will see a lot of resorts and restaurants there. And from the looks of what I just pointed, the White House and the other house, you see that the development is also close to the sea, right? So meaning this 1 bedroom house, which is going to be like a hideout for you, you can put it for a rent also whilst you are living in the other part of Ghana. I mean, you can be in Aburi, you can be in the central region, you can be in the Volta region, or in the city. This is the harbor. So that is Tema for you, right? And I also posted a video where they are constructing the road, right, which is the easy access road to, Bone and then the harbor city, right? So if you are interested, right, in a property like this, which is just like a simple hideout for you, at the same time can be a rental for you. There are 1 bedrooms available, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. This is just a quick investment for you to make some cash. So if you are interested in a move like this, then please send an email to info@madhassa.com or mahmood@madhassa.com for more details. This is a premium, gated community, right? So it is only through email that you can get more information from them. So please get in touch with them. They will put their offers. Any questions you have, they have, presentation for you so that you can go through it. Take your time, go through it. Through that, they will give you their contact details, and then you can start dealing with them, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe,
and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.